Okay, so I got this pocket knife yesterday from my dad, and it has a nail file on it. So my friend was like, file your fucking nails. And I was like, okay, 'cause, seemed like a good idea. Would have been a better one if I knew how. So I was just filing away, and I looked down and I cut myself. I got a fucking cut on my fucking finger. The fuck? Yeah, but this is like the best pocket knife ever. It's like been mummified or something. Got scissors, you know. And then it's got a nail file. It's got fucking tweezers. And a toothpick. And then, there's the actual knife part too, but whatever. And then it matches my shoes, 'cause they're like little, shoes. And I have like the same pair, but in black. I can't catch this. I'm like, I caught it. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So, that's all. Yeah. Okay.